Thank you very much. It's been a wonderful experience so far with this cohort of the OLS NASA Nebula program, where I've gotten to understand better on open science and open data, as well as the resources that are available to utilize this open data better in my research currently and in the future. I'll just go straight into my presentation. Makinde. I'm a graduate of mathematics from Ahmadu Bello University Zaria, and I first learned about open science during my undergraduate research work with Dr. Kamaldeen Okuneye, a senior research scientist at Applied Biomat USA. We were trying to understand the efficacy of anti-malaria drugs um, in vivo, and yeah, I am currently aspiring to pursue my MSc in Applied Mathematics at Northeastern University. I currently have this offer and I'm hoping to pursue it. Um, my research interest is in epidemiology and the biomedical applications of mathematics, as well as optimization of AI algorithms using mathematical modeling. Um, In the past, my work has been on the within host model of blood stage malaria to characterize the efficacy of anti-malaria drugs in vivo. And so far, I've been able to contribute to this project in developing models for this within host malaria transmission. I've also integrated drug pharmacokinetics with the therapeutic outcomes. I've also characterized the efficacy of anti-malaria drugs using mathematical models. Our key findings in this research was that the death rate of the red blood cells were heavily impacted. The population of the red blood cells were heavily impacted by the death rate of the white blood cells, and that's the rate at which the malaria parasites are infecting the host within, which are like the red blood cells. And so my research focus mainly has just been on epidemiological modeling of infectious diseases, the biomedical applications of mathematical modeling, and in the future, I plan on understanding better on how mathematical models can be applied to optimize AI algorithms in solving problems in public health. Um, on attending this program, my future directions will be to annotate my data sets with explicit metadata, with sources and methods to ensure reusability of these data sets. I'd also share my data in my data in open repositories like Zenodo and other domains, specific repositories like GenBank and EBML, EBI. Also, I'll use open source tools and software, like R and Python, which I've used in the past. Also, I've learned to better understand the use of license to retain copyrights and ensure free distribution of my work. Also, learning from this ONS NASA Nebula cohort, I've learned to ensure my data and tools adhere to the FAIR principles. Thank you very much. It's been a wonderful experience.